Let's make some homemade pad Kra Pao. We're gonna start by cutting up these peppers and garlic and attempting to turn them into a paste. I don't have a pestle and mortar, so I'm gonna chop them up as thin as I can, put them in a bowl, and hit them with a spoon, I guess. I don't know, let's see. Yeah, it's not really mushing it together too well, but that's what we got. Alright, well, that's gonna have to go in the pan like it is. That's as muddled as I can get it. Alright, let's make our sauce. 2 teaspoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well. Get you some chicken thighs. We're gonna cut off the extra fat. Slice it up. It's time for the big boy. Now you have minced chicken thighs. Go in with a teaspoon of fish sauce onto the raw meat. Mix that in. Let's get ready to cook. Chicken goes in. All right, just before the chicken's completely done, let's go ahead and remove it. Set it to the side. Once your oil's hot, we're going to go in with the garlic and pepper mixture. We're going to saute this up for a minute or two. More oil. You don't want the garlic to burn. I should have turned my heat down before I put that in there, but just keep it moving. We're going to go in with the onion in a second. It'll cool it down. We're going to go in with half an onion. Now we're going with any mild pepper of your choosing. These are bell peppers. That's all I really could find as far as mild peppers went. Go back in with our chicken. We're gonna go in with our sauce. I doubled the sauce. I like extra sauce, so I'm going with double sauce. There you have it, homemade pad Kra Pao. Go ahead and try it, see how we did. I love when it works out. It's amazing. You should make that. I like more broth, so next time I'll probably, I doubled it, I'll probably quadruple it, so I actually have broth left over at the end. But this is phenomenal.